Good morning, Lucy.
Good morning, Tom. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
You know what's perfect about this?
What?
We just demonstrated today's topic.
Really?
Yes, today we're talking about greetings
And introductions too.
and goodbyes.
These are the first things you learn in English.
But they're so important.
Let's teach everyone.
Let's begin.
Tom, how do you greet someone in English?
There are many ways. The most common is hello.
Hello?
Hello. You can also say hi.
Hi, that's more casual, right?
Exactly. You say hi to friends and family.
What about more formal situations?
Good question. In formal situations, you can say good morning.
Good morning. When do you say that?
You say good morning in the morning before 12 o'clock.
What about the afternoon?
You say good afternoon from 12 o'clock until about 6 o'clock.
And the evening?
You say good evening after 6 o'clock.
So we have three time-based greetings.
Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
What about good night?
Ah, good night is not really a greeting.
It's not.
No, good night is for saying goodbye before you sleep.
Oh, that's interesting.
Now, after you greet someone, what do you say?
You ask, how are you?
Exactly. How are you is very common.
And how do you answer?
You can say, I'm fine, thank you,
Or, I'm good, thanks.
or I'm great.
These are all good answers.
You can also ask, how's it going?
How's it going? That's casual.
Yes, you use that with friends.
I have a student named Rafael.
Tell me about Rafael.
Rafael is from Brazil. He wanted to practice greetings every single day.
How did he practice?
Every morning he said, "Good morning" to everyone he met.
Everyone?
Yes, his neighbours, his co-workers, everyone.
That's excellent practice.
I know. At first he was shy, but he kept practicing.
And now?
Now greeting people feels natural to him. He's not shy anymore.
That's wonderful. Practice really works.
Now let's talk about introductions.
Yes. How do you introduce yourself?
The simplest way is to say, "My name is Lucy."
My name is Tom.
You can also say, "I'm Lucy."
I'm Tom. That's even more casual.
Both are correct.
What else can you say when introducing yourself?
You can tell people where you're from.
How do you do that?
You say, "I'm from Sweden."
I'm from the United States.
You can also say your country or your city.
I'm from New York.
"I'm from Stockholm."
Perfect. Now, when you meet someone new, what do you say?
You say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you.
"Nice to meet you too."
In formal situations, you can say, pleased to meet you.
"Pleased to meet you." That sounds very polite.
Yes, you might use that in a job interview.
or at a business meeting.
Exactly. Now, what questions can you ask someone new?
You can ask, "What's your name?"
What's your name?
You can ask, "Where are you from?"
Where are you from?
These are the two most important questions.
I have a student named Aisha.
Tell me about Aisha.
Aisha started a new job last month.
How exciting!
Yes, but she was nervous about introducing herself in English.
What did you teach her?
I taught her to say, "Hello, my name is Aisha. Nice to meet you."
That's perfect.
On her first day, she introduced herself to everyone in the office.
How did it go?
Her colleagues were so impressed.
Really?
Yes. They said she was very confident and friendly.
That's amazing.
Now she feels confident meeting new people. She's so happy.
A good introduction can change everything.
Absolutely. First impressions are so important.
Now let's talk about goodbyes.
Yes. How do you say goodbye in English?
The most formal way is goodbye.
Goodbye.
But you can also say bye.
Bye. That's much more common.
What about see you later?
See you later is very popular.
When do you use it?
You use it when you will see the person again soon.
What about see you soon?
That's similar. See you soon means you'll see them in the near future.
Are there other goodbye phrases?
Yes. You can say, have a good day.
Have a good day. That's so friendly.
You can also say, have a nice evening or have a good night.
What about take care?
Take care is wonderful. It shows you care about the person.
Take care. I like that.
My friend Kenji had an interesting problem.
What was his problem?
He had trouble ending conversations.
Oh no, what happened?
He didn't know how to say goodbye naturally. So conversations went on and on.
That must have been awkward.
Yes. He told me, "Tom, I don't know when to leave."
What did you teach him?
I taught him different phrases like, "See you later," "Take care," and "Have a good day."
Did it help?
Yes. Now he can end conversations smoothly.
That's great.
He told me, "Tom, now I know when to leave." We both laughed.
Knowing how to say goodbye is so important.
It really is. It's just as important as saying hello.
Let's practice all three parts together.
Good idea. First, the greeting.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Now, the introduction.
My name is Tom. What's your name?
My name is Lucy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Sweden. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And now, the goodbye.
It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
Take care.
See you later.
That's a complete conversation.
From hello to goodbye.
And it's so simple.
These phrases are the foundation of English communication.
Everyone starts here.
Even native speakers use these phrases every single day.
So practice them as much as you can.
Say hello to people you meet.
Introduce yourself when you can.
And always end with a friendly goodbye.
You'll make so many friends.
And you'll feel more confident every day.
Let's review the most important phrases now.
Great idea. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
My name is...
My name is...
I'm...
I'm...
What's your name?
What's your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from...
I'm from...
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Take care.
Take care. Great job today.
Now you can meet people in English.
You know how to say hello
And how to introduce yourself.
and how to say goodbye.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Have a good day, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Pronounce faster.